Hello smart investors, Spacious is here again, bringing you real estate investment opportunity in Lagos and around. So right now, right here, look behind me, it's an off-plan project. This is Amiya Residence here in the heart of Lagos. This is Opebi, Ikeja. Yes, looking for elegance, comfort, class, then do not sleep on this 4-bedroom, semi-detached duplex with a BQ. It's hot, it's juicy, it's the best. So let me turn my camera around so I can show you what's going on. Engineer is here as well. In case we got some questions, we'll be here to clarify and all. So let me turn my camera around. Alright, so these are 4-bedroom semi-detached, as I've said earlier. So we have the ground floor, then we have the first floor, then the last floor. Look around you, so you can see what we have here. All semi-detached duplex, modern. You can see our modern windows, stylish designs. Yes, here in Opebi. So you want to grow your wealth. Currently we are selling for 420 million naira. Yes, so you could spread the balance, spread the payment as well. So you can see, very luxurious. We have a big floor to ceiling window as well to allow sunshine into your home. Let's see it here. So these are men on site working. Well done. So let's go in and check it out. So that should be the shop away. That's all. So let's go in again. So these are not hard. Yeah. Don't mind all the jobs, all the materials. So you can see once they clean, everywhere will be looking so beautiful. So this is an open kitchen. You can see the wall, the seat roof. So I think our TV console should be there. Dining still in the living room. And this should be like a store. Let's see if it's open. So this is like a store. Yes. Okay. So these are smart family lounge. See how spacious. Wow, this is amazing. Then TV console as well. So this is second room. Very spacious. And you see this? It should be like a closet in Opebi. Then a shower and your toilet. So you can see the second room. But this is like a closet. Let's go into the and see. This is class. This is beautiful. Let's go to the top floor. See the staircase. Like a mini corridor. Look at how spacious it is. This is the third room. Wow, this is big. This restroom is big. Should be masters. Corridor. You could have a feel of the environment. Yeah. So this is the fourth room. See how spacious. And this is like a closet, walk-in closet. people, so hope you enjoyed the property tour. Yes, this is how we do it right here in Opebi, Ikeja. Yes, so this is closest to the airport, closest to closest to schools, amazing schools, hospitals, event centers and all. Like, you do not want to sleep on this property. We'll be having features like beautiful landscaping, gardening and all, 24/7 lights, electricity, security 247. You'll be having like an access code into this estate and lots more amenities. So the best time to buy a property is when it's still off plan. You can say do this, touch this and all. So 420 million naira is still the price, with an initial deposit of 50% of the price. You could kickstart your investment journey here. You could live here or you could place here for rentals. This is an in-demand area for short let and Airbnb, and we are entering into the season where people will be looking for places as this to use. You could also lease and all. So capital appreciation is guaranteed. Cash flow here is guaranteed. So call Spacious today. Let's kickstart your investment journey right here at Amiya Residence. See you in my next video. Bye bye.